Hello and welcome to a new Python coding challenge. Today, as the title of the video suggests, we are going to play Minesweeper. In particular, the challenge starts with a grid of hashes and dashes, with each hash representing a mine and each dash representing an empty spot. The task is very simple. Replace each dash with the number of mines adjacent to it. Now please remember that adjacent means both vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. So in this example, the solution would look something like this. Now remember, the hashes must remain and should not be substituted by values. I'm sure some of you are looking at this challenge and thinking, "Pah, it's easy." But watch out, looks can be deceiving. This task is actually trickier than it seems and may lead you to answers which look correct but are actually not. So here's your test. Complete the Minesweeper challenge for the following grid. If you want to test your code first to find out if it works correctly, then you can use the test grid and solution that I showed you earlier. Also, if you need any other hints, then don't forget to check out my tutorial videos and previous coding challenges. You can find a link to both of these, as usual, in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description. With that, I wish you all the best of luck with this challenge. And please, if you find these videos helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. As for me, I look forward to seeing you all next week for the solution to the challenge. And until then, happy coding!